Alright guys and gals, this is why you need our special concoction, because you see the snow right here? What happens is it gets filled with snow, and then when people slide the nozzle in, it packs it full. See that? Next thing you know, you got water in your gas tank freezing up your gas lines. Let's get busy. Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. Today we are talking about our winter fuel concoction. We're in the laboratory. We're sharing with you a secret that has worked for us for years, and I think you're going to love this. It will really help your fuel work better for you. It'll keep your lines from freezing up. You will be able to offset some of the reed vapor pressure thing that's going on that the EPA makes them do with the refineries with all of the winter and summer blends. But this also works with vapor locking in the summers. Our customers love it. It works great. Julio, you gonna tell them where they can get all this good stuff?
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
All right, what we're going to do, and I know many of you can measure out how you want. We just use this siphon here. First thing we're going to do is take an empty bottle. We're going to use our ISO heat, and you can analyze till you're paralyzed. We're just telling you what works for us. You dump the entire bottle in, and you'll use 1 ounce of this mixture per gallon of fuel. 1 ounce per gallon of fuel. We're going to add 1 ounce of 99% rubbing alcohol. And I put it in this cap down here. It just makes it easier to mess with and sucking it out of the bottle. 99% mixed in. Set that aside. Now we're going to use 2 ounces of octane booster. Now we will use 2 ounces of our Marvel Mystery Oil. And finally, we will use 2 ounces of our seafoam. Now your winter fuel will be exactly what you need it to be, so your lines are not freezing, your vehicle will start easier, your gas mileage will not drop like it always does in the wintertime. 1 ounce per gallon of fuel. Every third fill up